Hello guys, today let's discuss a games and tournament set. So this set says there are 5 teams in a football tournament: Valencia, Everton, Lazio, Napoli and Genoa. The tournament was played as a round robin league where each team played with other teams exactly twice on a home and away basis. The following table gives the information about the results of the first leg of matches. Okay, so this table is given and the score lines of different matches are given. Okay, here score 4-2 means Valencia scored 4 goals and the other team scored 2 goals in the first match of Valencia. Okay, and in the similar way the other data has to be interpreted. Winning team gets 3 points. If match is draw, then teams will get 1 point each and no points given on losing the match. The team with highest points at the end will win the tournament. Team performance ratio is defined as a ratio of number of goals for to the number of goals against. Lesser the performance ratio, lower is the performance. Okay, so the number of goals for means how many goals that particular team has scored, and number of goals against means how many goals that particular team has conceded. So let's look at the questions. The only match Genoa had drawn was with. The only match which Napoli lost was with in team terms of performance ratio, which was the worst team. In the second leg of the tournament was the minimum number of matches required to be played in order for the second team in standings to overtake the first team. Okay, so all the 4 questions are pretty easy. So if we can make the table of games and tournaments, and if we know what's the score line and who played against whom, then we can answer all the questions very comfortably. So let's again see the table. So let me make the table for games and tournaments. So let's say this is Valencia, Everton, Lazio, Napoli, Genoa. Valencia, Everton, Lazio, Napoli, Genoa. Okay, so this is the way how we make the games and tournaments table. Okay, so if we look at the first match of Valencia, the score line is 4-2. So there has to be a score line of 2-4 wherein one team has lost with Valencia. So if we see the table, there is only one team with the score line of 2-4. It means that is Genoa. It means Valencia played against Genoa in first match and result was 4-2. So Valencia won against Genoa. So the score line was 4-2. Here I am meaning that Valencia played with Genoa and the scoreline was 4-2. So similarly I have to write here as well, Genoa played with Valencia and the scoreline was 2-4. For Genoa, Genoa scored 2 goals and conceded 4 goals. For Valencia, Valencia scored 4 goals and conceded 2 goals. Okay, so if we look at the other score lines, if I look at the Valencia's 3-1 score line, its second match, so there has to be a team with 1-3 score line. So I could say Everton, there is a score line of 1-3 in Everton's row, then 1-3 in Napoli's row. So I don't know right now. So if we look at the 1-1 of Genoa or 0-1 of Genoa, so there has to be a score line of 1-0. So I can see 1-0 is appearing only in the Everton's column, Everton's row, sorry. So Everton and Genoa played the match and Everton won with 1-0. So Everton and Genoa played the match, Everton and Genoa, and the scoreline was 1-0. So Genoa lost with Everton 0-1. Here again Genoa scored 0 goals and conceded 1 goal, and Everton scored 1 goal, conceded 0 goals. So if I look at the score line of 2-1 of Genoa, now there has to be a score line of 1-2. So there is only one score line of 1-2 and that is in Lazio's row. So Genoa and Lazio played with each other, and the scoreline was 2-1. With Lazio lost the match. So Lazio and Genoa, Lazio and Genoa, the scoreline was 1-2, and Genoa won the match 2-1. So only one scoreline is remaining for Genoa, that is 1-1, and that is with Napoli, because only Napoli is remaining. So Genoa drawed with Napoli 1-1. So Napoli and Genoa 1-1. Napoli and Genoa 1-1. Now if I look at the question what is asked to me, the only match Genoa had drawn was with, okay, so the Genoa had drawn its only match with Napoli. So my answer would be D option. To the first question, answer would be D. The only match which Napoli lost was with, okay, so Napoli lost was with, so I have to fill out for Napoli. So if I look at the 1-1 score line, so there is 1-1 score line with Genoa, and there is again 1-1 score line one more time. So if I look at the 2-2 score line of Napoli, so there has to be again one more score line of 2-2, and that is with Lazio. So Lazio and Napoli's match was drawn. So Lazio and Napoli was drawn. So this is 2-2, and Napoli's and Lazio's match is 2-2. Then if I look at for 1-3 scoreline of Napoli, so 1-3 scoreline of Napoli, it has to come against Valencia or Everton. So Everton didn't won the match with 3-1. So it has to be against Valencia. So Valencia played against Napoli and the scoreline was 3-1. So Valencia played against Napoli and the scoreline was 3-1. And Napoli lost its match with Valencia. The scoreline was 1-3. So now the remaining match is 1-1 draw. So Napoli and Everton match was draw. Everton and Napoli's match was draw. Okay, so let me answer the question. The only match which Napoli lost was with. Okay, so it was lost against Valencia. So answer would be A option. Now, in terms of performance ratio, which was the worst team? So in terms of performance ratio, which was the worst team? Okay, so for to calculate the performance ratio, I need to know the how many goals each team has scored and how many goals each team has conceded. So if I talk about Valencia, it has scored a total of 10 goals and conceded a total of 4 goals. If I talk Everton, it has scored total of 3 goals and conceded total of 6 goals. If I talk about Lazio, Lazio scored total 7 goals and conceded 6 goals. For Napoli, it is 5 goals and conceded 7 goals. For Genoa, it is 5 goals and conceded 7 goals. So I have to take the ratio. So this is 2.5, this is 0.5, this is 7.6, it will come out to be 1 point something. Then this is 5 by 7, it is 0 point something, and again this is 0 point something. So I have to look for the least value out of them. So 2.5 can't be least, 1 can't be least, so I have to compare these three values. So this is 5 by 7, which is more than 0.5, which is more than 50%. Okay, so the least value is this. So the worst team in terms of performance ratio is Everton. So answer to my third question is option B. So for the fourth question, in the second leg of the tournament, what was the minimum number of matches required to be played in order for the second team in standings to overtake the first team? Okay, so first I would need to find out these points, the points table of for these teams. Okay, so Valencia won three matches and draw with one match. So it scored 10 points. So Valencia scored 10 points, and Everton's total score will be, total points will be 4 points. Lazio's total points will be 5 points. Napoli's total points 3 points, and Genoa's total points 4 points. Okay, okay, so the first team is Valencia and the second team is Lazio. So in order for the second team to overtake the first team in the minimum number of matches, so it has to be two matches, because in one match if Lazio won, it will get 3 points. In the second match, if again Lazio wins, then it will gain more, again 3 points. So it will total get 6 points in two matches. So 5 plus 6, 11. So when Lazio will win two matches, it will overtake Valencia, because Valencia, we will assume Valencia will lose both of its matches, because I have to find this for the minimum number of matches. So if I have to find for the minimum number of matches, I will assume Valencia will lose its ahead matches and Lazio will win all of its matches. So 2 is the required answer for the fourth question. So my answer to these four questions are D, A, B and 2. So as far as this set selection is concerned, this is a pretty comfortable set in exam scenario. So definitely we will select this set, because this type of questions are very easy. The type of questions are very easy, and hence we would definitely select this set in exam scenario. Thank you guys.